Brothers Outdoor Adventures. I am in the process of redoing the intro for this video because the camera that I used to do the original intro, the SD card went bad for the intro and the ending, so I'm going to do both of them right now so I can finish editing. So this video is going to be for tearing the heads and the rocker boxes off of the shovel head. And the last video, I basically took everything here off, getting ready to do it. And then my friend of 30 years, Wildman, come over and we finished tearing down the top end. So thank you for joining the Buzz Brothers Outdoor, and I hope you enjoy the video. Alright everybody, that's going to be it for today. We got the heads and the rocker boxes off and the push rods, and we decided to go ahead and leave the cylinders on for now because we're really just fixing oil leaks, just putting new gaskets in. The cylinders or the pistons are in good shape, so we're just going to leave it like that. When we get ready to put it back together, we're going to take the cylinders off real quick and change the base gaskets and then put it back on. We're going to leave it like this for now so that the rings don't expand on the pistons. So come back and join us next time when we start putting it back together. The heads are at the shop right now, getting the valves and the valve guides changed. So as soon as I get them back and get everything cleaned up, we will be putting it back together. Hopefully we'll see you then. Please like and subscribe. I hope you enjoy the video, and everybody have a great day. See ya.